How to log in Kaplan Student Online Account. Hello everyone, this is Rose and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Kaplan Student Online Account. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Now tap search bar at top of the screen and type in Kaplan Student Online Account and search for this website. On the results section, you will get multiple websites. Simply you need to log in or launch the official website. You can navigate to Kaplan login websites and then you will get access to this official interface of Kaplan where you need to enter your login informations like your email and password. If you haven't created any account, you need to first create your account on Kaplan Student Online Account and then enter your informations and credentials. Then tap login button to log in into Kaplan Student Online Account. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.